progress. Getting my beauty room organized. I'm liking the shoes. I'm not really liking this area right there. Yeah. Still have to put my handbags up. Mom's handbags. So there's what I've unpacked so far, and this stuff right here is not going to stay where it's at. I'm going to probably put handbags there, maybe some handbags over here. Look at that mess. My shoes were all wrapped and stuff, so that's all the paper wrapping and stuff. The paper I wrapped some of this blingy stuff with, and I wrapped up some shoes with that paper, and I also put individual shoes into those grocery bags. And yeah, we're getting there little by little. It's a work in progress. Here's this area of the room. Yeah. I don't know why it looks so dark, but that tree doesn't work anymore. I tried to splice the wires together, but just doesn't work. One of our kitties had gotten a hold of that, and yeah, doesn't work. This right here at the house we just came from used to be right there in that shelf. That didn't used to be on a shelf. That used to be hanging above a window. And so instead of having shoes there and those shoes on the floor that don't fit, I used to have this whole bookshelf of shoes. So, and in there, I have an extra bookcase in this room than what I used to have. So I don't really want to fill it up with little stuff because I don't want it to look too cluttered. But I don't know what to do with it. Oh, and that used to be on an actual shelf right there. And then that was like that. And then, like I said, I had this light right there on that. We'll see. We'll figure it out, won't we? And I used to have twinkly lights behind the curtains. These are the lights I used to have behind the curtains. They don't work anymore. All of a sudden, I pack them up. They're working when I pack them up, but when I unpack them, they don't work. So we had to go buy more. Where are the ones I just bought? So I just went and bought 2 more boxes. So I'm going to be doing that today. Yeah. But anyway, this is what I've got so far. Alrighty, guys.